In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Etsy promo codes and discount codes like a pro. Whether you're looking for a unique artisan gift or something special for yourself, knowing how to score a great deal makes the shopping experience even better. We all love saving a little extra money, so here's how you can make the most of Etsy's promo offerings right from the comfort of your home. First and foremost, always start by checking the shop itself. Many individual sellers on Etsy offer their own coupon codes. These codes can be store-wide or specific to certain products, so it pays to keep an eye out. When browsing a listing or a shop's homepage, keep your eyes peeled for banners or notifications that say things like sale, coupon, use code, or special offer. These are neat opportunities to snag a discount without needing to look too far. Another great way to stay in the loop with discounts is by subscribing to Etsy's emails and newsletters. Etsy occasionally sends promo codes, deals, or special discounts directly to their email subscribers. By signing up, you're essentially opting into a goldmine for potential savings. You never know when a surprise deal might land right in your inbox, bringing you closer to that must-have item. Next up, let's talk about social media. Following your favorite sellers on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter can open doors to exclusive discounts. Sellers often use these platforms to connect with their customers and occasionally share promo codes or special offers. It's a simple yet effective way to enjoy first-hand information on upcoming sales or exclusive discount periods. Another fantastic resource at your disposal are coupon and deal aggregator websites. Websites like CouponFollow, Simply Codes, and Worthy Penny are wonderful for scoping out the latest and greatest Etsy promo codes. By visiting these sites, you can quickly see a consolidated list of current discounts available, ensuring you don't miss out on any savings opportunities. When you're ready to check out on Etsy, take a moment to carefully scan the checkout or cart page. There's typically a field labeled Apply Coupon, Enter Promo Code, or Apply Shop Coupon. Here you can enter any codes you found or received. Some shops also utilize cart abandonment emails, where if you leave items in your cart without checking out, they might proactively send you a discount code as an incentive to complete your purchase. Finally, remember that special sale events are prime time for promo codes. Major occasions like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Valentine's Day, and even Etsy's own sale events often feature site-wide or shop-wide discount opportunities. It's an excellent time to plan your purchases for maximum savings. And there you have it. By using these methods, you'll be well on your way to finding the best Etsy promo codes and enjoying your shopping experience to the fullest. Happy shopping and happy saving.